need to update you on the path of Hurricane Matthew. We have live team coverage of the storm as it batters Jamaica. Take a look at this video from the Kingston area. Jamaica's capital city is getting pounded by 130-mile-an-hour winds and heavy rain.
Meteorologist Jeremy Wheeler is going to spend a significant amount of time on Matthew this morning, so you have the most updated information. And Rico Bush will show us more video from the Caribbean. We
start with Jeremy Wheeler in the Super Doppler 10 Weather Center. Jeremy?
All right, let's take a look at what Matthew's doing right now. It's pretty far southeast of Jamaica. They are getting some winds, not 130 miles an hour, but they may see some of those type of winds in the forecast coming up. As you can see, right now it is to the south there, but it is going to be moving north. And it looks like it'll pass east of Jamaica, but western Haiti and eastern Cuba going to see possibly this Category 4 hurricane. And it could move over land at both those spots, pretty close to Guantanamo Bay, too, if I'm not mistaken. And then it will move over Cuba into the Bahamas as a Category 3 hurricane. Depending on how long it interacts with land there, it may weaken a little bit more, but then it will move to the northwest and then a little to the northeast. And the southern parts of North Carolina and also South Carolina is in the possible path at this point. So that is the latest on Hurricane Matthew. I'll have a full update coming up in this half hour. A little closer to home, we've got low visibility in Chesapeake, Suffolk, Portsmouth, down to northern Camden County. We have some fog there. Rest of the area not too bad, but just watch out for that fog. And there's just one stray shower there west of Exmoor. That's drifting to the south. So today we're partly cloudy in the forecast. We've got mild conditions with highs in the 70s. I'll have more on your local forecast in 10 minutes and then more on Matthew coming up in about 20 minutes. Now we're to Jen.
Our live team coverage of Hurricane Matthew continues with Rico Bush.
Now he has the latest overnight video from the Caribbean as preparations are underway. Rico?
Well, Jen, Hurricane Matthew has already lashed Jamaica, causing flooding in some parts. This is where Matthew is right now. You can see on this map, it is going straight towards Cuba and Haiti. Most of the Caribbean is on high alert. Matthew is expected to slam Haiti. The government has already started to evacuate some residents. The island is expected to get the worst of the storm with up to 20 inches of rain in some parts, which may trigger deadly flooding and mudslides. In Cuba, people are still preparing and hunkering down for the impact. They have boarded up their homes and stocked up on supplies. And in Jamaica, Matthew has already triggered flooding from the heavy downpour. Water is flooding the streets. You can see it right there. Residents are preparing for the worst.
It's unbelievable. Unbelievable shopping way down there the line is. Can you believe that?
We're still waiting to see exactly how Matthew will affect the United States. Matthew may hit Florida. Officials aren't taking any chances, urging residents to be prepared just in case. Matthew has already killed 2 people so far in the Caribbean. There are also some evacuations underway right now for some Americans in Cuba, and I'll have more on that coming up in 30 minutes. Rico Bush, 10 on your side.
We're on your side in the event of any storm impact here. Download our free hurricane guide from WAVY.com or pick it up at any Farm Fresh grocery store.